So far, we have seen how to create, fetch, and update documents in a collection of MongoDB database. Now in this lecture, let's learn how to delete documents from a collection. Let's switch to MongoDB shell, and there currently we are in the e-shopping database. Now let's first check what are the collections available in this database. For that, we can run show collections command. If I press enter, in here we have two collections, products collection and users collection. Currently, we don't have any documents in the products collection, but we do have some documents in the users collection. So let's go ahead and let's query this users collection first. For that, I'm going to call this find method on the users collection, and it is going to return us all the documents which we have in the users collection. Now let's say I want to delete one of the documents here. Let's say I want to delete this document where the underscore ID is 100. So to delete a document from a collection, again in MongoDB, we have two methods, deleteOne and deleteMany. Let's first talk about deleteOne method. So using the deleteOne method, I want to delete this document from the users collection. And for this document, I'm going to search this document using its ID property. And after we have searched it, we are going to delete it. So let me go ahead and let me clear the shell first. And let me run this find command again, but this time I'm going to search the document using the underscore ID field. So here I want to search the document where the underscore ID is 100, and this should return us only a single document. If I press enter, you see it is returning us an array, and in that array we have the single document. It is returning an array because we are using find method and not find one. So find method is going to return us an array, and in that array we will have all the documents which matches the filter criteria. Here only one document matches the filter criteria, so that is present in this array which this find method has returned. Alright, now I want to delete this document. And to delete a document from a collection, again on the DB object, we first access the collection name. In this case, the collection name is users, and on that we can call deleteOne method. What this deleteOne method does is it deletes a single document from the collection. And which document do we want to delete? We want to delete that document whose underscore ID is 100. So we also need to pass the filter criteria here, the search criteria. For that, to this deleteOne method, we need to pass an argument that should be an object, and in that object, we need to specify what should be the search criteria. Here we want to search the document whose underscore ID is 100. So this deleteOne method, it is going to search all the documents where the underscore ID field will be 100, and if it returns multiple results, in that case, deleteOne is going to delete the first document in that result. But in this case, we have only one document where the underscore ID is 100. So this deleteOne method is going to delete that document. If I go ahead and if I press enter, you will see that the acknowledged is true and delete count is 1. That means one of the documents has been deleted. Now if I go ahead and if I try to search the document where the underscore ID value is 100, if I press enter, it is returning us nothing, because now in the users collection, there is no user document where the underscore ID is 100, because at this line, we deleted that document. Let's also go ahead and let's query all the documents from the users collection. So for that, on the users collection, I'm going to call the find method without passing any filter object. If I press enter, it will return us all the documents. And in that document, you will notice that now that document where the underscore ID field was 100, it is not present. So that has been deleted here. Okay, so keep in mind that using deleteOne method, we can delete a single document from a collection. And to the deleteOne method, we also need to pass a search criteria, a filter object. If that filter object returns multiple documents, in that case, only the first document will be deleted by this deleteOne. All right. Now let's go ahead and let's clear the shell first. And let me call the deleteOne method again. But this time to this deleteOne method, I'm going to pass an empty filter object. So here I'm specifying a filter object as the argument, but in there I'm not specifying any search criteria. In that case, what this deleteOne will do is it is going to delete the very first document from the collection. So for example, let me go ahead and let me query the document first. So let's call the find method. So in this document list, in this users collection, the first document is this document where the name is John, age is 28 and gender is female. Okay, let me clear the shell again and let's call deleteOne method, and there let's pass an empty object. So this deleteOne method is going to delete the very first document from the collection. If I press enter, you will see that the delete count is 1. And let's query the users collection again using the find method. And now you will notice that that first document where the name was John, age was 28 and gender was male, that document is deleted from this users collection. So when we pass an empty object to this deleteOne method, it deletes the very first document from the collection. But if this object is not an empty object, if we specify some filter criteria there, in that case, deleteOne is going to filter the very first document which matches that filter criteria, and it is going to delete it. I hope the working of deleteOne is clear to you. Now let's try one more thing. Let me clear the shell here and let's again try to call this deleteOne method. But this time to this deleteOne method, I'm going to pass nothing. And let's go ahead and let's press enter. And there you will see in this case, we are getting an error because the filter object is a mandatory argument which we need to pass to this deleteOne method. If we don't pass it, we will get a MongoDB error. So this is deleteOne method. Now, what if we want to delete multiple documents based on a search criteria? For that, we have another method called deleteMany. So again, on the DB object, we are going to access the collection, in this case, the users collection, and on that, I'm going to call deleteMany method. Okay, and let's say from the users collection, we want to delete all the documents where the name is Mark. So first of all, let's see how many documents we have where the name is Mark. So again, I'm going to use find method on the users collection to query the users collection. And here I can see that we have only one document where the name is Mark, but we have two documents where the name is Steve. So let's clear the shell and to this find method, now I'm going to pass a filter criteria and I want to filter all those documents where the name is Steve. Let's run this query and here we have two documents where the name is Steve. Now let's say I want to delete all those documents where the name is Steve. So for that, I'm going to call deleteMany method. So on the users collection, let's call deleteMany method. To this deleteMany method, let's pass a filter criteria. For the filter criteria, I'm going to specify that I want to filter all those documents where the name is Steve. So this deleteMany method is going to it is going to filter all the documents where the name is Steve, and it is going to delete all those documents where the name is Steve. Okay, so using deleteMany method, we can delete multiple documents at a time, which matches the filter criteria. If I go ahead and if I run this command, you will see that the deleted count is 2 because with this filter criteria, deleteMany will find these two documents, and once it will find it, it will delete both of those documents. And that's why the deleted count here is 2. Let's clear the shell. And again, let me go and let me call the find method on this users collection. So now we are left with 4 documents. Now, what will happen if I pass an empty filter object to this deleteMany? In that case, since this filter object, this is an empty object, this deleteMany is going to delete all the documents from the users collection. So when we pass an empty object to deleteMany, it will delete all the documents from a collection. Let me actually show you that. So if I go ahead and if I run this command, you see deleted count is 4. That means all these 4 documents are deleted from the users collection. And now if we go ahead and if we query the users collection using the find method, it is returning nothing. That means now in the users collection, there is no document present. All the documents have been deleted by this deleteMany method, because to this deleteMany method, we passed an empty filter object. So it is going to delete all the documents from the collection. So this is how you can delete documents from a collection using deleteMany method. So in this lecture, we talked about 2 methods using which we can delete documents from a collection. First, we have deleteOne method. DeleteOne method is used to delete a single document from a collection. If we pass an empty filter object to deleteOne, it will delete the very first document in the collection. But if we pass a filter object with some fields, it will delete the first matching document which satisfies the filter criteria. So for example, this command here, it is going to delete the very first document from the users collection. But in the second command, it is going to delete the very first document which matches this filter criteria. Then we also have deleteMany method, which is used to delete multiple documents at once in a collection. And to this deleteMany method, if we pass an empty filter object, in that case, it is going to delete all the documents from the collection. But if we pass a filter object with some fields, like we are doing here, in that case, it will delete all the matching documents which satisfies that filter criteria. So for example, this deleteMany method, it is going to find all the documents from the users collection where the gender is male, and it is going to delete all those documents. Alright, so this is all from this lecture. In this lecture, we learned how we can delete documents from a collection. And for that, we have 2 methods, deleteOne and deleteMany. And in this way, we have learned how to create documents in a collection, how to read documents from a collection, how to update a document in a collection, and also how to delete a document in a collection. So basically, we have learned how to perform CRUD operation in a MongoDB collection. CRUD stands for create, read, update, delete. For creating documents, we have insert1 and insertMany. For reading documents, we have find and find1. For updating documents, we have update1 and updateMany. And for deleting documents, we have deleteOne and deleteMany. So in this way, we learned all the methods which we need to know in order to perform CRUD operation on a collection. This is all from this lecture. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask it. Thank you for listening and have a great day.